Hey folks, it's Tina here at DeBoer's Auto. Let's talk about something that's really important when you're out on the roads in any season, and that's your tires' contact with the road. Your vehicle's tires need to be well kept and maintained, but what they don't talk about after your tires are put on is how important the rotations are. Rotating your tires regularly is a #1 recommendation for your everyday maintenance. And the reason why is because if you don't rotate your tires, you're going to be spending a lot more money on tires than you want to. So let's talk about it. What are the symptoms? When you're experiencing uneven tire wear, your front tires are wearing faster than your rear tires, you need to rotate them so that you can give those front tires a little bit of a break. The road grip is really important. You want to keep the tires with the best road grip on the drive axles. For some vehicles that might be the front, for some vehicles that might be the back. An ASE-certified technician can help you discover which formation of your tires is the best. Why? Why does this happen? Well, the weight distribution on any vehicle can be different, but for most vehicles, the weight distribution on the front puts more pressure on the tires against the road, which does increase road grip, but also increases tire wear on a regular basis. So rotating them regularly helps you to buy tires at a longer rate in between changes. Why is it good to do the rotation? Rotations are important because it extends the life of your tires and also it protects the warranty. So if you get a set of tires that wear really, really quickly, manufacturers can warranty that condition. But if you don't show records of regular rotations, then they won't cover any sort of what we call proration warranty on your tires. So how often should you do it? Well, you should do it every 500 to 7,500 miles, which for most drivers can be every other oil change. And that will help ensure that the tires last as long as they're supposed to if there's no manufacturer defect. Not sure about whether or not your tires are in good condition or if they need to be rotated? Stop on down here at DeBoer's Auto. We'll get you set up with an appointment. We'll have an ASE technician take a look at them for you, and we'll make sure that you are running safe on the roads in any season. We look forward to seeing you.